In this video lesson, let us continue to understand the other general methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Let us discuss in this video lesson regarding the obtaining of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene as our starting raw material. Again, the phenomenon or the process involved is oxidation. What is alkyl benzene? An alkyl group attached to benzene ring is called alkyl benzene. Now let us discuss this case with a first example. The first example is, let us first draw the benzene ring and let us attach an alkyl group to the benzene ring. CH3. This is a common alkyl group. So what is this alkyl group? Methyl. Therefore, the name of this compound is methyl benzene. Methyl benzene, and more popularly it is called toluene. Now, methyl benzene is treated with alkaline potassium permanganate, which is an oxidizing agent. KMnO4 is potassium permanganate and it is treated with alkaline group, that is a base, that is potassium hydroxide in this case. So these two will act as good oxidizing agent. So upon heating they will release nascent oxygen. So now what happens? 2 hydrogen from here, all the 3 hydrogen from here along with this hydrogen will take away 2 oxygen, one from here and one from here, and goes out as 2 molecules of water. Then what is that we are left with? Let us write the equation. Let us complete it. Benzene ring remaining as it is. Now what happens to this? C. There are 2 oxygen attached from here, O, and then the potassium constituent from the solution will take an attachment. So now we have potassium salt of carboxylic acid attached to the benzene ring. And what else do we get along with this? We will obtain 2 molecules of water. How was the 2 molecules of water? 3 hydrogen, 1 more hydrogen, like that 4 hydrogen, and then 1 oxygen from here, another oxygen from here. So that will make 2 molecules of water. Remaining 2 more oxygen and then 1 potassium will take a linkage with carbon in the place of hydrogen. So what is that name of this compound that we have obtained? Potassium and then benzoate. Potassium benzoate. This is an ester. What is the formula for this? Molecular formula? C6H5 for this, and then COOK. This is a molecular formula. Potassium benzoate. Now further what happens? This is a 2-step reaction. So step 1, we have obtained the potassium salt of the benzoic acid. So now this potassium benzoate thus obtained COOK, potassium benzoate thus obtained, is subjected to the process of acidification with HCl. Now what happens? This potassium will combine with Cl of HCl, comes out as KCl, and H will take the place of K. So this happens upon heating, and this is subjected to acidification. So now what is that we are going to obtain? We obtain, this is acid hydrolysis as well. So we obtain COOH along with KCl. So we landed up in the formation of the carboxylic acid, namely benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is common name as well as the sanctioned name. It is otherwise called benzene carboxylic acid. That would be the correct IUPAC name of this compound. So I repeat with the equation again for easy understanding of the concept. Methyl benzene is subjected to oxidation by taking the common oxidizing agent, namely alkaline potassium permanganate. The alkali used in this case is potassium hydroxide, of course aqueous. Upon heating, what happens? They both will release nascent oxygen, and this is all as it is present in the solution. So they all undergo reaction, resulting in the formation of potassium benzoate along with water. Now, thus obtained potassium benzoate is subjected to the process of acidification to obtain benzoic acid, and this is associated with formation of KCl. So, this is how we obtain a carboxylic acid from a simple side chain of the benzene ring, and this side chain is containing an alkyl group. Now, another important point to remember here is what would be the reaction if instead of a simple chain attached to the side chain of the benzene ring, if there is a lengthier chain being attached. That we'll discuss in the next video. Watch that also. Then you will understand in better about obtaining carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene.